It's your boy Hollywood, and I'm here with another video, man. You know I'm here with the guest who's always the guest that's gonna be tatted on her chest.
It's me, the Queen Lizzie.
And we are here with another video for y'all, man. It's kind of like a mukbang, kind of not. As you can see by the title of the video, we're doing Buffalo Wild Wings Blazing Hot. You know what I'm saying? She got her wisdom tooth done, so she can't do this. That's why she got the little soup right there on the side. So she can't eat this right now.
I got my ice cream.
Yeah, she got her cookies and cream, ice cream. She thought it was going to melt while we was waiting for the chicken, but
no.
Yeah, thankfully.
Yeah, I'm glad it didn't, yeah.
But hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for the love y'all been showing. I'm trying to keep uploading for y'all. I'm trying to just do whatever, food trucks. I'm trying to go peaks with this. You know what I'm saying? If y'all know Peaks, me and her watch him a lot. He's a big inspiration to us eating the food and all this stuff. But I'm just trying to keep doing whatever type videos anywhere, not just only here. But yeah, hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for the love y'all been showing. And without further ado, we're gonna get into the video because I'm about to die.
I know you're ready to eat.
Yeah. You see, you got the blazing right here, and you got spicy garlic. So you know he ain't capping. You know? For some of y'all might be, man, that made me probably hot. Stop it. Stop it, bro. Look at that. I'm dying for y'all. Hit that like button.
I got my sour cream. Good. I got my ice cream on me.
Ain't Hidden Valley. I don't know what it is, chap.
Jet's Pizza. The ranch.
Yeah, Just Pizza Ranch is the
best.
Ranch.
Yeah. Hey. My face, I'm sweet.
That smells strong. I mean, strong.
Yeah, it is. It smells hot.
What up? I'm strong. Why am I doing this? I ain't doing it no challenge, and I'm just doing it for y'all, man. Like, I'm over here tweaking, bro. Let me shut up.
Just eat it. You're gonna start sweating. Y'all watch. No ranch?
No, I'm the first one.
No ranch is crazy.
I just can't think about it.
Gotta do it.
It's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. Just don't think about it. So, what did we watch yesterday? We watched the Omni-Man. Prime. I'm trying to get what happened. What happened?
It's too hot.
No. Good.
Good.
What happened?
I don't know. It was really good though. He went. Apparently, his dad left and found a new family. He made a new family, I guess, which is really weird, but I guess.
Literally got a purple baby that looked like Thanos. Like,
and then his son took him. I don't know how to take him to Earth. And yeah.
Then it turned out it was the Viltrumites came.
Yeah.
Hey, if y'all haven't seen Invincible on Prime, you gotta go check that out. That show real good.
Yeah, it is.
She's not a big fan of cartoon shows.
Anime or nothing, but it's actually pretty good. I like it.
Like, I don't know if to call it anime, because to me, anime is like Dragon Ball Z, One Punch, and all that stuff. My Hero Rumble.
I agree
with like other stuff like cartoon.
Yeah.
But they all good.
Eat spicy garlic.
The challenge is for me to eat them first.
That's the challenge for you?
Yeah. Bro, I'm about to die. Why am I doing this?
This is so funny. You do this every time.
Alright, I'm be good.
This is so
you know when it gets so hot, you start getting itchy? Like, I can do one more. Come on. I'm Gucci. I just can't think about it.
You're getting that ranch. Your face. So hot. It's sweaty. This is so funny.
Have you been watching The Monkey Man? Monkey Man pretty good right now.
It is. Oh, we didn't even finish it.
I think I'm only like 40 minutes in it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Alright.
You got it. No play, no game.
Oh my god, bro. The toilet, bro. I'm about to die, bro.
Toilet, bro. That's the worst after.
Can't feel my lips. My lips getting numb.
Eat the other ones. This is so funny.
Oh my god.
That's too funny. Eat them. Mm-hmm.
I'm about to, baby. I am.
Shut the fuck up.
I am. Alright, it's getting. Alright.
Stop it. Get some.
Yeah, this is
Like and
hilarious.
subscribe, bro. Why did I just do barbecue, bro?
Why did I just do
Just did a
barbecue?
normal video.
Mm-mm.
Okay. I think I'm at the end of the video. Oh shit. I'm fucking dying. Oh, shit.
Where's your Coke at? Did you leave it upstairs?
Oh shit. That's a dumbass idea. Oh my god. What the fuck? Why don't you touch my ass?
Eat.
I'm done. I'm done. I can't eat no more. I'm done.
Want some ice cream?
Yeah.
Here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
See my life.
You ate the hottest wings at Buffalo Wild Wing, blazing or whatever.
I think I need some cold water.
So give me my ice cream.
Yeah, here. Take it. Yeah. All right.
That's that blue milk.
Chad, we got some Star Wars blue milk.
Mm-hmm. Just tastes like regular milk.
Shit tastes blue.
For real? What do you mean it tastes blue?
Like, I don't know.
Oh, it tastes like vanilla milk.
Yeah.
Ew. Mm-mm. You said this shit tastes blue.
Oh, God.
Babe.
I'm trying to think if I do one more for y'all, chat, but I don't know, because my head's starting to, like, beat. I feel my head, like, doing this, like, in the inside. Like, I'm hearing my voice. It's like an echo. Yeah, chat, I think I end the video. Like and subscribe. It's your boy, Hollywood. Okay, I got a snow cone, freezy, whatever. Motherfucker ain't really a snow cone.
Good. Good.
Bro. Oh my God.
Yeah, usually you only eat like 2 of them. He ate like 4 for y'all.
Yeah.
Mm. Mm.
I'm dying.
Oh my God, that was so funny. That's why you don't do dumb shit.
Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Oh shit. I think I need to hop in the shower.
Bro.
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do this ever again. Unless it's like some challenge, right? It was buzzing. I think I'm gonna save the rest for later. Look, he wanna lie. I wanna die. I think we should finish that Monkey Man movie though. I want to finish that.
Right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It was cloudy at the end. I said the end.
I didn't even finish it. Yo.
At the beginning. I ain't gonna tell y'all because I know some of y'all probably ain't even see the Monkey Man. Some of y'all probably gonna be ignorant and be like, well.
Oh God, I don't got time for that shit.
Oh my God, there's some tissue.
Yeah, exactly good.
Oh my God. I felt the spices come through my nose.
That's horrible. That's horrible.
Oh no. I think I'm partially great. I think I'm back to 40%. Gucci now. My vision is, what's that mean? Legally blind.
It's not funny. Bro, oh my God. That's what you get for eating the hottest wings.
I got a headache. Dude, it's like a brain freeze headache. I don't even know. Oh.
Hot headache.
Yeah. Oh, I feel like Mega Mind. Shit. Oh, it's like, what the? Where my head getting? What the?
Stop, my teeth hurt. Oh my God, bro.
It's like my head feel weird. Got a nugget.
Oh, my teeth hurt. Bro, that's what you get for eating these. Like, yeah. Let me know if you ate the hottest wings at Buffalo Wild Wings. Let us know, because he be doing it every week. Every Thursday. Every Thursday he does it, and I don't know why.
I don't know either. I don't know. I need to stop, though. This can't be good for my body.
No, wait till you go to the bathroom.
Oh, my God. I'm trying to focus.
I've done it before in the one chip challenge. I haven't done the one chip challenge yet. Wait until the bathroom time. Oh God, that's what I'm saying. Wait till you go to the bathroom. He's gonna regret that.
I'm already thinking about it.
His stomach on fire. Give it an hour. Give it an hour. That's funny.
Okay. I think we're great.
Oh.
I think we're really great.